Alright, good morning internet, welcome back to the channel. I'm Devin from Broken Enduro. And this is how you do the LA Barstow to Vegas ride. You volunteer to sweep. You get to start while the sun's up. And there's no dust. So I got Dan out behind me. Mike and Nick out here in front of me. Got our little 4-man sweep team. Are you guys both bailing?
Yeah, he's dead. I mean, I'm dead. Yeah, keep going, man.
All right. 3 miles in, we've swept our first rider. It's over there.
You guys are gonna take the bell out.
We're sweeps.
I know.
Okay.
Good joke.
Thanks. You got.
Where's all your sweep stickers?
We didn't get any.
I think I got some.
Really? Oh yeah. Let's look legit here.
You want stickers now?
Why not?
You do it when you need, when you run out.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Topped off, brother. And then I don't have to carry it. There we go, earn it.
I feel like a pretty princess now.
Yeah. Now you got some authority.
Some authority.
So off to our left is Calico. We are making our way into the hills. We're sweeping the easy section of this area. Uh-oh, I just saw a bike. Well, that was a cool section, but I imagine it's super dangerous as soon as all these side-by-sides wake up and get running. You good? Alright. You guys come through the hard way?
Yeah.
Have the hard sweeps come through there yet? Okay. So you guys know you have to like take a bail at some point to get caught back up? Woo! Yeah! What's up?
Front flat.
Seriously?
You say you got a flat? Highway.
I guess the highway time. All right, brother. We'll see ya.
See you guys down the road.
It's a shame there's no whoops on that trail.
I didn't see any.
I didn't see any. I heard there was going to be whoops there.
What's that?
I already called this into Tommy.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So just a mechanical?
Yeah, mechanical. No,
Okay.
everybody's fine. So we got to get to our section to sweep it. So,
Okay.
all right, we're going to boogie.
All right. You going easy or hard from here?
We're going to go easy and then
Next hard?
the next hard. Yeah.
Got it. So
Yeah.
we're sweeping from there to there.
Cool.
Okay. Very good.
How's it going, fellas?
He has the broken collarbone. Yeah, that guy has a broken
Oh,
collarbone. A little bit ago.
anybody called in yet?
Yeah.
The sweeps did?
He called it in.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey, Dave, it's Devin. I came up on that broken collarbone out here just past Baker, and I'm just checking on the driver. Ryder was curious.
Appreciate it.
Yeah,
And just want
definitely.
to make sure the word got out so they didn't like turn
Yeah,
around.
it's out. It's out. Yeah, we've actually got a back like 5 miles a broken bike, so they're coming through this way anyway. So there's two vehicles that are going to be making their way this way. So somebody will get you.
Thank you.
All right, fellas, I got to get moving. Yeah, you're welcome. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Mike's getting wild. Oh, dude, your bike's about to fall. Huh?
First ribbon.
Your bike's about to fall. You put them right here. Can you take down my number and text me when you get picked up? There it is, state line. That was awesome. Coming up on Sandy Valley. Way behind schedule. Just could not get an easy break. So I'm not exactly sure what our plan's going to be after our very late lunch. But too late in the day to do most all of this stuff. Seemed like everywhere we turned there was more and more issues. Oh my god, this is freaking gnarly. Alright, so that's kind of a wrap for today. Very different ride when you're sweeping. We ran into all sorts of issues and problems, and what is going on now?
Nick didn't buckle his.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one. It's getting too dark for you guys to be able to see anything. I'll come back in when we get into Vegas. We're not gonna be able to hit Red Rocks because our sweep jobs are just too busy. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Later! Yeah!
Alright, you made it!
Howdy, fellas.
Sweep Riders. Okay, so he knows his number.
284.
80. Number 80, Paul, also. 284 and 80, both sweet. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, you're welcome. So what'd you think of sweeping, Dan?
Shit sucks.